Now we're headed to Oslo. Alpha is, of course, with us. So right now we're just charging up the batteries before heading to Eidfjord, which is quite similar to this, only nicer. Okay, so here's the route plan. We are going over Riksvei, which is kind of not a main road, but it's kind of also the main road anyway to Oslo. Let's do this. Yeah, it says I have to stop here. I'll probably do that because it's the last point before I think last point before Geilo and Gol, which is the next places I can charge. And it wants me to charge a bit there as well, but it actually wants me to stop charge at 50%, so we'll see. I'm charging to 90 or maybe 100, I'll see. Anyway, I'm going over this road which goes directly over the Norwegian Alp Road National Park. I've checked the weather there and it seems to be quite alright. It's gonna be some snow and shit like that, but that doesn't start before around 9 o'clock. No, I mean 7 o'clock tonight. So it looks like we're actually gonna have some pretty weather up there. It's about 3.5 hours drive before I hit the mountain, and it looks quite alright when I'm up there. So it's gonna be quite a lot of wind, so it's good that it doesn't snow, because that would mean that there was going to be a lot of snow blowing over the road. But we'll see when we're up there. First, let's get to Eidfjord and I'll check in there. Okay, so we're at Verdal. I bought some snacks. Pepsi Max and Blå Valium. Some coffee, always have coffee. I have a bunch of coffee. It's charging right now, only on 50 kilowatts because I have another car next to me. But I don't have to charge for too long. I'm only going to charge up to right above 70% approximately. So that's cool. Let's check in on the mountain where it's snow everywhere, probably. As you see, I made it to Hardangervidda, or at least the start of Hardangervidda, and the whole road is covered by snow. My dog has to pee. She's constantly telling me I'm trying to find a place to stop. Woo! There's a lot of tail happy action going on behind my car. I'm just gonna stop here to make her shut up. give a little bit too much gas, the rear end just slides out. It's quite funny, but I'm taking it careful though. Haven't been up to 80 kilometers per hour at all. It's impossible to see anything at all. See nothing. I can see more than 10 seconds in front of the car. 10 meters, I mean, in front of the car. It's absolutely stupid. So, for a little update, all the cameras on the car is covered in ice and snow. We're driving in about 25 miles per hour, not even that, 20 miles per hour. Actually, we're driving in like 15 miles per hour right now. And yeah, it's snowy out there, to say it at least. So I'll put all the lights I can have on my car for the guys coming in the rear, because I don't want to be rear-ended. Been that 2 times before. And that was without snowy conditions, so yeah. Look at this, it's fucking crazy. So yeah, this will take probably an hour longer than normal because of this, but it's kind of funny though. It's nice to have somebody in front of me so I know where the road actually goes. But sometimes you just can't even see anything. 3 times I had to just stop completely. What is nice, I have a lot of power, and it says I'm gonna have 31% when I'm at Gol, so that's cool. And Alpha is really annoying me so much. She was just out to pee, and she's still doing like wah, 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 wah. So fuck. It's the next day. I made it to Oslo. There is the Opera House, and I don't know if there's too much more to see than that. Alpha is still good.